Immobiliser fitting. This is a 2023 plate Mercedes A35 protected with an i96 Connect. So if a thief got this key and went to steal the vehicle, it's not going to start up. As you see, engine's not starting, but the customer's phone's going to ring because this is an i96 Connect. So the customer's going to know straight away someone's tried to steal their vehicle, and they can go out and see what's going on. If the customers will drive the vehicle, what they'll do, keep their foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, pop in a code unique to them. For now, we just have 1, 2, 3. We receive a disarm tone, foot on the brake, start the vehicle, and it fires into life. They can drive away. Customer can choose their own code between 3 and 21 presses in any order, totally up to them. And they can also pair their phone to the system, so with their Bluetooth on, they just get in, start the car like normal. It fires up, system disarms, no need to waste time putting your code in. This is the i96 Connect, calls your phone under an attack, pairs to your phone so you don't need to use a push sequence, but also you can choose a unique sequence, totally up to you, between 3 and 21 presses. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is an A35 AMG 2023. Thanks for watching.